Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called the tendency of the subconscious is life word. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. So friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how the body portrays the working of the mind. This topic, friends. Okay. Friends, this is 73 number topic, 73 number video, and the name of the topic is how the body portrays the working of the mind. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The interaction of your conscious and subconscious mind require a similar interaction between the corresponding system of nerves. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the interaction of your conscious and of our conscious and the subconscious mind require a similar corresponding between the system of our nerve, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The cerebral system is the organ of the conscious mind. So your author Joseph Murphy is saying the cerebral system is the actual system of our conscious mind, friends. Okay. And the sympathetic system is the organ of the subconscious mind. So the sympathetic system, it is the actual organ of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The cerebral system is the channel through which you receive the conscious perception by means of your physical senses and exercise control over the movement of your body. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the cerebral system is that main channel from where we receive the means of our 5 physical senses which control the movement of our body, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This system has its nerves in the brain and it is the channel of volition and conscious mental action. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling this system have the nerves in our brain, and which is the actual reason and violation of the mental action, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The systematic system sometime referred to as the involuntary nervous system. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that the systematic system is sometimes referred to be the involuntary nervous system, friends. Okay. Has its center in the ganglionic mass at the back of the stomach known as solar plexus. So it has a center in the ganglionic mass which is known as the solar plexus in our stomach, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic, and is something spoken of the abdominal brain, and it is also something called spoken of the abdominal brain, friends. Okay. It is the channel of the mental action which unconsciously support the vital function of the body. So this is the function of a mental function which support the vital function of our body, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The two systems may work separately or synchronizingly, Judge Thomas Stewart says. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling the two systems may work separately or in a synchronized matter. So this is said by Judge Thomas Troward. He says that the vagus nerve passes out of the cerebral region as the portion of the voluntary system. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that the cerebral region is passed through the vagus nerve, which passes from the cerebral region, and through it we control the vocal organ. So this by this the vocal organ is controlled, friends. Okay. Then it passes onward to the thorax, sending out the branches to the heart and lungs. So after that it passes to the thorax by sending the branches to the heart and also our lungs, friends. Okay, so this author Osipov is telling to us in this topic. Finally, passing through the diaphragm, it loses the outer coating which distinguishes the nerve of the voluntary system. So after that, it passes to the diaphragm and which loses the nerve through the voluntary system, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, and became identified with those of the systematic system. So after that, it become identified to the those of the systematic system, friends. Okay, so forming a connecting link between the two and making them and making the man physically a single entity. So after that, connecting the things with two and making with the single entity, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Similarly, different areas of the brain indicates their connecting with the objective and the subjective activity of the mind respectively. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling similarly in our brain also there is a connection between objective and the subjective mind in their respective way, and speaking in a general way, we may assign the frontal portion of the brain to the former and the posterior portion to the latter. So while speaking also, we activate the posterior portion of the brain, friends. Okay, and later this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. While the intermediate portion uh, park takes of the character of both. So after the intermediate portion takes the part of character both, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. A rather simple way of looking at the mental and the physical interaction is to realize that your conscious mind grabs an idea. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling a rather simple way of looking at the mental and the physical interaction is to realize the conscious, that is the grasping the idea, friends. Okay, so the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, which introduce a corresponding vibration in your voluntary system of the nerve. So it introduced the corresponding vibration in the voluntary system of the nerve, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This in turns causes a similar current to be generated in your involuntary system of the nerve. So this causes the nerve to generate the involuntary system of our nerve, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic, thus handling the idea over to your subconscious mind, which is a creative medium. So thus after that, the idea is being handled by the subconscious mind, which is a creative medium, friends. Okay, this is how your thought become things. So this is how our thought, each and every thought become things, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. Every thought entertained by your conscious mind and accepted as true is sent to your brain, to your solar plexus. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling every thought that is being accepted by your conscious mind and which is accepted and sent to the solar plexus of our brain, the brain of your subconscious mind. So the brain of the subconscious mind, it is being sent, friends. Okay, to be made into your flesh. So to bring that information into our flesh, friends. Okay, and to be brought forth into the world as reality. So after that, to be brought forth in the world of reality, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, here author in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called how the body portrays the working of the mind. This I've covered, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called this concept, friends. Okay, there is an intelligence which take care of the body. This I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.